And the frills that come with it.
अभी क्या कर रहे हो उसका? वो धीरे धीरे ये भी हो जाता है कि मुझे थोड़ा रिबेलियन मोड हो जाता है.
नहीं जाऊंगी,
नहीं करना मुझे ये वाला अवार्ड शो, यहाँ नहीं जाना मुझे ये वाले इवेंट पे. वो हो जाता है कभी कभी. मेरा तो ये भी हो जाता है कि एक आधी बार हुआ था when I just told my stylist मुझे नहीं खींचनी है फोटो. So she's like but then you'll have to buy the outfit. I said I buy it. बाद में जाके थोड़ा फटका लगा but I was like
I know, and Max related.
Or then I'll tell her no, you give me denims and t-shirt. I'll buy denims and t-shirt and I'll just wear that. I don't want to be dressed. So I think there's a part of me that the mid-quarter life crisis is from the frills. I think I don't want to do something that is not giving me joy.
And you have 30 voices in your universe who are telling you, अगर ये नहीं किया ना, you'll have to pay for it. This is wrong. What?
ये भी है, and then you have to, but you're an actor. It's a part of your profession. I'm like, but I just want to act.
आपने ये जो इंसिडेंट के बारे में बताया जहाँ आप रोने लगे वैन में, someone asked you if your mental health is okay, and obviously at that moment it wasn't, इसलिए वो ट्रिगर हो गया, आंसू निकले.
Right?
कैसी आपकी mental health, generally speaking?
On and off रहता है यार. It's
up and
not
down.
Up and down रहता है हमेशा. I feel हर किसी का ही है. It's not. I mean, there are times when you suddenly feel low.
मुंबई में, मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव कि मुंबई में.
You really feel?
I've traveled a lot in India, और ये ना Gen Z's में all over India.
You feel मुंबई में कि हमारे प्रोफेशन में?
मुंबई में.
Because it's fast paced.
ये शहर की एनर्जी भी ऐसी है.
Fast paced.
Restless, I would say. This city is great. It's the hub of many industries. It's the hub of media. ये वो. But ये जो air है, air quality.
Air quality मैं तो दिल्ली से हूँ, तो air quality तो भूल ही जाओ.
You know, okay, I grew up here.
हाँ.
मुंबई की air quality ऐसी नहीं होती थी when we were kids. Yeah, I have memories of playing in the sand on Juhu Beach. I won't even step on the sand without slippers at this point. And ये मैं एक cynical perspective नहीं दे रहा हूँ, realistic perspective दे रहा हूँ. But like the city is insanely good for your career, money, ये वो, total number of billionaires, safety. I'm sure for girls it's a whole other realm of things.
Yeah, it's a...
But है बुरे aspects इस city के, and I feel it's an ideal city for your 20s. I don't know if it's an ideal city for one's 30s and 40s. क्योंकि कोई यहाँ शांत होता ही नहीं. That's what I feel. And at some point, I think for one's own emotional and mental health, you need to take a step back from everything. Definitely शायद phases में.
हाँ, but one of the things that you're saying might be right, because I'll tell you, so you know PMSing, right?
Yeah.
I used to never PMS when I was in Delhi. Ever. I didn't even know what PMSing was. मैं जब से मुंबई शिफ्ट हुई और तब मैंने एक्टिंग करना शुरू नहीं किया था. I felt PMSing every time I would be close to my periods. And I think मतलब when my mom says कि ये क्या है, हमको तो कभी हुआ नहीं. You know, so their generation has not even seen it. It's not like, it's also possible they didn't know क्या होता है, but their generation didn't probably see it so much. It's a combination of the hectic lifestyle. It's a combination of too much pressure and too much stress. Also what we eat. How adulterated the stuff that we're eating is sometimes. Also
the average energy of everyone around us, not just our inner circle. जितने भी लोग मिलते हैं, they add something. Like इंडिया में ना मेरी फेवरेट जगह धर्मशाला धर्मकोट की एरिया, जहाँ बहुत ज्यादा टिबेटन इन्फ्लुएंस है. मंक्स आपको यहाँ दिखेंगे. कॉन्वर्सेशंस भी थोड़े से डेप्थ ओरिएंटेड, पीस ओरिएंटेड, एक्सप्लोरेशन ओरिएंटेड. कांगड़ा वैली, बहुत सही जगह है देखने को. सो आई यूज्ड टू गो टू गोवा अलॉट. हाल ही में वो गोवा ट्रिप्स कम हुए. माय न्यू फेवरेट इज कांगड़ा धर्मकोट.
I've not been to Dharamshala. I want to though.